Miami, and welcome to the journey with me. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and give me a comment. Whatever you want to know, leave it at the comment. This is alcohol, so I'm spraying the bed right now. I just got to the Airbnb and I'm gonna give you guys a tour very soon. But first, I'm tired. I gotta go laying down. I gotta lay down for a quick 2 hours, something like that. But before that, I need to spray the bed and spray everything. Spray the pillows. And this was the alcohol, a big bottle of alcohol I had home. I had to split it to get some so I can come in here with. I didn't buy nothing yet. I hope you guys understand. This is an extra bed. So I'm gonna do the same thing for the bed. We just got here. Yeah, Chloe. Alright, that's it for now. I'm gonna give you guys a little tour. That's the door, the main door. And there's a mirror. The living room. This is the kitchen. That's the dining table. There is somebody in the other side doing something, so I don't want to go there. And this is my room, straight ahead. And this is the bathroom. Somebody taking a shower. In the floor. My shower curtain, my pad, everything here. I'm going to make this bed very quickly so you guys can see. And there's a closet. This is me right now. So today is the day of the surgery. I'm going to be at the jelly plastic surgery at 12:30. I'm gonna make my bed right now so I can take a shower with the antibacterial soap. And after that, I am going. It's a big day, guys. Yet last night, I've been up for like 3 hours after midnight, thinking about, should I go or should I go home? But anyways, I'm going. Pray for me, please. Pray for me, guys. I'm going. I am going. Pray for me. And I'm thanking you guys for being this journey still with me. Thank you so very much. Thank you. So see you in a very quick moment while I'm doing the bed. As you can see, guys, I'm in the Uber. I'm going to my pre-op appointment. This is the day, guys. Oh my God. I can't wait to meet up with them. I've been waiting for this day for so long. And I'm thankful to God. Yesterday, we arrived to Miami. And yeah, pretty much we had a great day. I've been sleeping for the whole day because I was so tired. It was so tired for me because, you know, it was like 4 hours in a bus, and since the night I haven't slept because I had to take care of some personal issue before get to Miami, because I live by myself with my kids, and my godmother was there with me, and she's still here for the surgery with me. So as you can see, yeah, we in the car in Miami. All right, guys, see y'all later. Miami. Guys, I love Miami so far. I love Miami so far. And don't forget, guys, thank you for in this journey with me. It just started.